What if one invention sparked a legal war that changed industry forever? In the 1850s, the sewing machine triggered fierce battles between inventors like Elias Howe and Isaac Singer. Each claimed key patents, leading to endless lawsuits and courtroom drama. This sewing machine war stalled innovation and bankrupted smaller inventors. Finally, in 1856, rivals formed the sewing machine combination, a historic patent pool that let manufacturers share technology for a fee. This truce revolutionized textile production and set a precedent for future tech disputes.